Welcome back. In a breakthrough for the beleaguered Kingfisher Airlines, its pilots and engineers who had been on strike since last month today accepted the management's offer of 3 months' salary paid in tranches by Diwali. They have all reported to work today. The pilots will have to undergo simulated training and route check again, a process which will take about a week. Aircraft checks too will take a couple of days.
All employees have resumed duty right now. They are all on duty as we speak. All pilots, all engineers at Kingfisher Airlines and every other employee that have continued to come to work. So there is no issue, and we are all together and looking forward to getting the airline going in the next few weeks.
We are getting right now, हम लोग को एक ही अभी तुरंत मिलेगा सैलरी, 24 आवर्स भी नहीं होगा. इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी उन्होंने ऑर्डर किया है एंड शायद अकाउंट्स में एक महीना का. एक महीना आप मत जाइए, एक महीना जाइए मत. मार्च का सैलरी अभी हमको मिल रहा है. अप्रैल का सैलरी हम लोग को 30 तारीख के अंदर यानी कि 31 तारीख के अंदर एंड ऑफ द मंथ के अंदर मिल जाएगा. तीसरी सैलरी दिवाली के पहले मिल जाएगा. ये हुआ 3 सैलरी. इसके बाद हर महीना में दिसंबर की 24 तारीख से लेके 30 तारीख और हो सकता है तो 4-5 दिन पहले वो भी कोशिश करेंगे जो एक महीना हर महीना में सैलरी मिलेगा.
Let's hope things work out between the employees and the management. And then, as I said, there are a lot of other things involved. See, if any airline or any industry closes down, there are a lot of collateral damage. Banks have about 8,000 crore of debt. Airport authority, oil companies, they all, a lot of money is due from Kingfisher. And of course, there are passengers. They are only 3.5% or so now, but still they have a lot of loyal passengers who have flown Kingfisher over a period of time, and they all want Kingfisher to be back. So a lot of these things will take a detailed and concrete and plausible plan. Then only DGCA will allow them to fly. So let's hope that Kingfisher management marshals their financial resources.
Moving on, income tax officials have started an investigation into BJP President Nitin Gadkari's Purti Power and Sugar Limited. This is in addition to the initial inquiry, or what is being called a discreet probe, by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs into companies that have invested in the BJP President's businesses. The IT departments of Mumbai and Pune will look into the investments made in the company, which have so far been murky, and Mr. Gadkari too has not been able to explain convincingly. The IT department will probe the sources of funds as well as 18 companies that invested in Purti. The agency will submit a report to Central Board of Direct Taxes shortly. The Congress party continues its series of jibes against Chief of the BJP Nitin Gadkari for his alleged involvement in dubious financial dealings.
बीजेपी ही एक वो जमात है जिसके अध्यक्ष को हिंदुस्तान में पहली मर्तबा स्टिंग ऑपरेशन का नाम शुरू हुआ और बंगारू लक्ष्मण को पैसे लेते हुए देखा गया. उनको भी इन्होंने डिफेंड करने की कोशिश की. तो करप्शन डिफेंडर्स हैं ये. तो गडकरी जी क्या मुंह लेकर के आए दिल्ली? अभी तक तो बहुत हंगामा मचाते थे करप्शन के बारे में कि 2G और ये और वो. तो जब अपना कलाई खुली तो बेचारे शर्मिंदा हैं.
As far as Gadkari is concerned, Prime Minister, the petition is pending before the Prime Minister. Whatever the decision the Prime Minister takes, the Prime Minister will decide accordingly.
Minister of State for Telecom Sachin Pilot has said that there cannot be different parameters to probe allegations against politicians of different parties. He said this in the context of BJP President Nitin Gadkari and senior Congress leader and former Union Minister Veerbhadra Singh, both of who are facing accusations of graft and illicit business deals.
अलग अलग पैरामीटर्स हम लोग नहीं कर सकते हैं. अगर एक सेट ऑफ रूल्स एंड पैरामीटर्स एक पर्सन एक पार्टी के लिए है तो सबके लिए लागू होना चाहिए. लेकिन मोटी बात यह है कि जिस प्रकार से ये लगातार सवाल उठ रहे हैं उसका सही ढंग से जवाब मैं नहीं समझता हूं कि भाजपा के अध्यक्ष अभी तक दे पाए. आरोप लगे हैं और आरोप जो सामने खुलकर आए हैं उसके लिए गडकरी साहब ने खुद ही कहा है कि वो जांच के लिए तैयार हैं. तो उचित समय पर उचित अथॉरिटी जब भी चाहे वो जांच करनी चाहिए. और अगर कहीं मैलाफाइड है, अगर कहीं कोई ओमिशन या कमीशन की बात आती है या ऐसी कोई गड़बड़ी सामने आती है तो देयर इज द लॉ विल टेक इट्स कोर्स.
Refusing to be on the back foot over allegations against its president, the BJP suggested that he was being framed as Congress was facing serious charges of corruption and said that he was the only leader to have volunteered for a probe by any agency. Launching a counter-attack on the Congress at a poll rally, BJP leader Sushma Swaraj said that the Congress has set new records in corruption and linked it to the steep rise in prices.
पहले CWG, उसके बाद 2G और उसके बाद कोलगेट. कांड और भी 7 हैं, लेकिन मैं केवल उन 3 का जिक्र कर रही हूं जिन तीनों के घाटे का अगर आप जोड़ लगाएं तो 4,38,000 करोड़ बनता है. 76,000 करोड़ का घोटाला CWG में, 1,76,000 करोड़ का घोटाला 2G में और 1,86,000 करोड़ का घोटाला कोलगेट में. धरती पर तो घोटाले होते सुने थे, लेकिन ये तो ऐसी सरकार आई जिसने धरती आकाश पाताल तीनों में घोटाले कर.
Congress, which has the experience of Mr. Robert Vadra, who ran away not only from the TV and public life, but also disappeared from the Facebook, following allegations, obviously is capable of only thinking and alleging like this. Nagpur is the hometown of Mr. Nitin Gadkari. Yesterday was Vijay Dashmi. It was natural for him to celebrate that occasion the way he has been doing it for decades in his hometown, at the RSS headquarters and at his own home with his family members. The BJP has not run away from the debate on this issue. Mr. Nitin Gadkari has gone from studio to studio himself when the allegations were made, and he is one of the rare politicians who have offered himself to be investigated.
Talking about prices, it is indeed more bad news for the common man, as petrol prices will be hiked by 30 paise per litre and diesel rates by 18 paise a litre, with the government desiring to increase the commission paid to petrol pump dealers. The hike will be effective either today or tomorrow, depending on when the ministry issues a formal letter to oil companies. The Petroleum Ministry decided to increase the dealer commission on petrol from 1.499 per litre to 1 rupees 799 a litre. The commission on diesel has been hiked from 91 paise to 1.09 a litre. It's another short break for now, but we will be right back soon.